Alright, so this is a purely O-level topic, right? It's taught in the last year of secondary school on the topic of matrices. Okay, let's talk about this. Part A, express each of the following as a single matrix. -3, -2, -2, 2 and 1. Okay, so what we do, we times the 2 in. Okay, much like a rainbow method. So -3 -2 -4 and 2 is here. Now we take term by term, -3 -4, and that is -7. -2 -2, and that is -4. Final answer for part A. Now part B is the difference in learning, whereby you need to know how to multiply matrices. This is a 1 row 2 column matrix. This is a 2 rows 2 column matrix. Just make sure that these two numbers are the same before you multiply. Otherwise, we cannot multiply the matrix. And at the end, you will have a 1/2 matrix. It depends on this and this. So let's develop for ourselves a 1 row and 2 columns matrix. Okay, so just to help you multiply, you can develop this boxes. Okay, and then you can label. Okay, this box, for example, is in row 1, column 1. So you can put row 1, column. It's just a technique to multiply matrix. Okay, it's a useful technique. This one is in row 1, column 2. Row 1, column 2. Okay, so then what we do, we go to the first matrix, row 1. Okay, that is 3, and we times to the column 1. Okay, so again, row 1 times to the column 1. So 3 times 3 plus -2 times 1. 3 times 3 plus -2 times 1, and then next one, row 1, column 2. 3 times 2 plus -2 times -2. 3 times 2 plus -2 times -2, and we calculate this. 9 minus 2 is 7. 6 plus 4 is 10. Final answer, 7 and 10. At the end, you can erase this. Okay, no need to show these boxes. Thank you.